Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the blade on a utility knife. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Once again, how to change the blade on a utility knife, an easy tutorial. It's actually really easy to do. Now, if you take a look at this utility knife blade, it has seen better days. It's like completely gone. I've been using this one for many years. I rarely use utility knives. I use them a lot when I was doing my renovations, but when I'm not renovating something or doing a project, I rarely ever use them. I just use scissors and, other stuff to, if I ever need to cut anything. But, I want to replace this blade because I am going to need to use this in the next few days. So I figured I'd make a video tutorial about it. Now, there are different kinds of utility knives. This is the one, it's Olfa. So it's an Olfa, and then it says L-5. But basically, a lot of them are going to be like this, and then there's going to be the style that just pops out just a little bit. But this one over here, you can sort of extend it as much or as little as you want to. This is a very common type. And it's, once again, it's an Olfa and then L-5. So you can see right here, it says Olfa, which is the brand Olfa, I believe. L-5 is the model number. I got this like, I don't know, maybe like 10 years ago, okay? They last a long time. So to change the blade, essentially you want to loosen this wheel, okay? And you want to loosen it enough where you can slide it completely down. So this is up where the blade comes out. You want to slide it down, so the opposite way, and then you want to slide it completely out, okay? Now get a good grip of that blade because it isn't attached by anything other than that little circle piece right there. So you're going to remove your old blade like this. I'm going to place it carefully to the side over here because I'm filming this in the car. I'm going to dispose of it properly when I'm done the video. For now, I'm just going to leave it right here. And I am going to open up this little container, which contains the new blades. I think there should be one left. Okay, good. I didn't check. So I was like, hopefully there's still one in here, or else this video, I can't do it. I could have just reused the old one, but you know what I mean. So essentially, here's a new blade. Very simple. And what you want to do is take this little hole right here and place it inside, place this little circle inside of that hole, just like that. So the circle, okay, I'll show you that way actually. The circle goes inside of that hole, just like that, okay? Then you're going to take this whole little shenanigan together, and we're going to place it inside of the blade holder over here. So I'm going to carefully slide it upwards, okay? So I'm going to take it and carefully slide it upwards like this, just like that, making sure that the blade is in the right orientation, right? So it only goes in one way because of the shape. So you can see right here, I'm sliding it upwards like this, okay? And I'm making sure that that piece is still in the hole that came out, but I'm going to go and I'm going to put it back in there, and I'm going to slide this little holder up in there as well, okay? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten it a little bit to the point where it kind of holds it in place, and then I can adjust it, as you can see, put it where I want it to be, tighten it up properly. And now I have my utility blade ready to be used. I can loosen it, I can retract it, and tighten it up again, and now it's ready to be stored, okay? That's it. It's literally that simple. That is how to change a utility knife blade. An easy tutorial if you like this video. Once again, there's different types, but for the most part, these are probably the most popular type with regards to renovating and stuff. The little ones that you just pop out a little bit are like more popular with regards to like if you're dealing with boxes that need to be opened constantly and stuff like that. So, I have both types, but this is the type I figured I would use because I think it's more popular and more commonly used in my opinion. But that's truly it. If you like this video, please be sure to, and sorry, just so you know, once again, dispose of these carefully because they are sharp. Even if they're dull, they're still sharp. So make sure you're disposing of them carefully and store your utility knives carefully as well because you can never be too safe. So I'm going to go ahead after I'm done this video and I'm going to dispose of this and store this properly, carefully, and safely. And that is truly it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.